The 5 best natural antibiotics and how to use them. While this type of antibiotic continues to be a vital support in medicine, recent studies have determined that prescribing them in excess can be dangerous to health, and in fact, it can create a resistance to different types of bacteria, in particular in children and babies. The excessive use of antibiotic drugs has also triggered an epidemic of compromised bowel function in children and adults and autoimmune diseases of different types, due to an imbalance of intestinal flora. For this reason, the excessive use of antibiotics is not recommended, and many experts are choosing to prescribe the classic natural antibiotics that, while not as powerful as the pharmaceutical drugs, they do provide good results and they do not have the serious side effects. Do you know what the best natural antibiotics are? Oregano oil. Wild oregano oil, Riganum vulgare, has a high antibiotic power that can help to fight different types of microorganisms. This type of oil is a red or dark yellow color, with a strong spicy smell. How can it be used? Fungus in the toes or nails. Add a couple of teaspoons of oregano oil in a tub with hot water and soak your feet for 10 minutes. Another option is to mix a drop of this oil with a teaspoon of olive oil and then apply it directly to the toes and nails. Parasites and infections. Mix a drop of this oil with a teaspoon of olive oil and put it under your tongue. Keep it there for a minute and then rinse your mouth out. Repeat this 4 times a day. Sinusitis. Place a few drops of oregano oil in a pan with boiling water and breathe the steam. Cayenne pepper. This condiment with a spicy flavor has also been used since ancient times for its strong curing and antibiotic power. In fact, today, science is now validating its use as a natural antibiotic. How can it be used? Cayenne pepper is being used in the treatment of vulvovaginitis, a common infection in women. Various studies have shown that this spice has a considerable antifungal and antibiotic effect on this condition. To use it, dilute it in an essential oil such as olive oil. Of course, due to its spicy action, it can cause a burning sensation upon first contact with the skin. Garlic. Without a doubt, one of the best natural antibiotics is garlic. This natural ingredient kills not only the pathogens and bacteria but also fungus and virus, without affecting the beneficial intestinal flora. How can it be used? Due to its phytochemicals and healing sulfur compounds, it helps fight free radicals. Garlic has antibacterial, antifungal and even antiviral properties. Garlic is a potent antioxidant and protects against damage to the DNA. Garlic fights intestinal worms and parasites. It is ideal to treat wounds and fungus in the toes and nails. It helps to prevent intestinal infections. Note: to increase its effectiveness, it is recommended to use it along with lemon. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice often used in traditional medicine thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibiotic and analgesic properties. How can it be used? As an antibiotic, turmeric is used to prevent and fight the bacteria, which is common in gastroduodenal ulcers and other infections. Pure honey. Pure honey, made by honeybees, is considered one of the best natural antibiotics that we can find. Today there is scientific evidence that suggests that honey could help to fight different types of infections such as those which occur in the intestine. How can it be used? This natural antibiotic is often used to treat and prevent skin infections. There are various studies that prove that honey has a positive action in reducing the cavity-causing bacteria, which is also responsible for dental plaque. It is good to help fight the infections related to breastfeeding. Honey can fight more than 250 kinds of bacteria, including MRSA, methicillin-resistant, MSSA, methicillin-sensitive, VRE, and vancomycin-resistant, which can cause stomach ulcers.